So I don't know why manufacturers do this, but this is a GE microwave I've got here. Okay, the model number is JVM3160RF2SS for stainless steel. And there's these undercab type lights, these microwave lights here. Okay, there's two of them. As you can see, this one's burned out. I've burned both of them out already. I've gotten replacements before. They get super hot. They're 40 watts a piece. I mean, they get really hot, and they've got dimmability, so when you get like the LED version or something like that, or a non-dimmable light, you could really mess up your microwave if you're not careful and you don't buy either the original lights from GE direct, or make sure you buy the right specs. So you want to make sure that the right voltage and all that stuff, and the right specs for this microwave. Okay, so be very careful with that. And I say this because I bought these replacements because originally when I bought the replacement for this one over here, it's pretty much like melting around the socket, the part that this thing screws into. So if you're having issues with your microwave and these lights underneath, always go to the manufacturer's website, check your manual, make sure you get the right part number, check out the voltage requirements if you buy something that's not from GE Direct. But these only take a Phillips screw to unscrew and pop them out, and you can get them online. You just want to make sure you get the right model number so you get the right ones. But in this case, this microwave just has a problem, it seems like, or these bulbs are defective. They only had about a 6-month warranty on them. They only lasted 3 months, so it very well could be the bulbs in this case. But if you want an alternative for something like this, you can get these undercab lights. They're only like $30, and they're LED. They have motion detection as well as auto. Like that one will turn off on its own, and they disconnect. They're rental safe, so they're good for rentals and stuff. You can pull the sticker off, it's magnet, and they have a charger cable that goes in with 3 charger cable ports, or not ports, I'm sorry, cables, so you can charge 3 of these at once with 1 USB. And you can see here that's a PIR sensor, so that's a light and motion sensor right there that picks up when it's in auto mode. But when it's on just the on mode, basically you can turn these on and off with a remote. So I would say anybody out there looking to fix their GE lights or any kind of lights under their microwave and they're having issues, go buy one of these kits instead and just put them underneath here, because these are really cool. And like I said, they do have another feature where you can turn off the auto like this and put it just on, and you see these are dimmer because I have it on 10% to preserve the battery. But they're remote controlled as well too. And so we've got another one there and another one over there. So honestly, I do that instead of buy these stupid bulbs, because these bulbs, like $10 for a couple of them. You go buy them off of GE, the same thing, maybe even double that price, and that's like half of the price of these guys. And these are going to last probably a decade if I take care of them and I run them until they run out, and then I just recharge them like you should to preserve the battery. So anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Take care.